Deep within the planet, where darkness and beauty entertain, live creatures that seem like they come from another world. From slugs that throw love darts to crabs with ghostly fur, today we explore the strangest and most fascinating animals in existence. Prepare to be amazed. Hey everyone, welcome to Stories, Curiosities, and Mysteries. Today we will look at some strange and fascinating animals. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a big like. It will help me keep going. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 6. The tube-nosed bat is a fascinating species that lives in tropical regions of Australia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and the Solomon Islands. Its most distinctive feature is its elongated, tube-shaped nostrils, which protrude from its face and give it a unique appearance. This adaptation not only differentiates it visually but also serves important functions in its feeding and navigation. Unlike most bats, which use echolocation, the tube-nosed bat navigates primarily by the stereoscopic vision provided by its large eyes. Its fur is light, with brownish bright tones, and its wings have yellowish markings. It measures between 8 and 9 centimeters and weighs less than 45 grams, making it a small but agile flying mammal. It is frugivorous, and its fruit-based diet makes it a key pollinator in the ecosystems where it lives. By transporting seeds while feeding, it contributes to the regeneration of tropical forests. In addition, it may consume nectar and occasionally insects. During the day, it rests in dry foliage and is usually solitary, although it has also been observed in small groups. Its reproductive system is not fully documented, but it is believed to have one offspring per year, which is cared for by the mother until it can fend for itself. This bat is notable not only for its appearance but also for its ecological importance. Its conservation is vital to maintaining the balance of tropical ecosystems. Number 5. The Goodfish fish, scientifically known as Panacheoripostomus, is a species of Amazonian catfish that has surprised science with its unusual diet. It consumes submerged wood as its main food source. This fish lives in freshwater rivers in South America, especially in the Amazon basin. Its body is covered by protective bony plaques, and it has a suction cap-shaped mouth with teeth specialized for scraping trunks and branches. Although it may seem incredible, it does not digest wood as such, but rather extracts nutrients from the microorganisms and algae that grow on it. Wood passes through its digestive system in less than 4 hours and is expelled as waste. A key adaptation is the presence of symbiotic bacteria in its gut, capable of breaking down cellulose, allowing it to harness some of the energy contained in the wood. This diet has allowed it to survive in environments where other fish could not, making it an example of extreme evolution. The Goodfish fish can reach up to 70 centimeters in length, and its territorial behavior makes it dominant in its habitat. It also digs burrows where it lays up to 300 eggs, which the male guards for several days. Although it poses no danger to humans, its introduction into foreign ecosystems can turn it into an invasive species, affecting other fish populations. Its existence demonstrates that nature still holds surprising secrets beneath the surface of tropical rivers. Number 4. The Jetty crab is a marine creature discovered in 2005 pulgadas the depths of the South Pacific, near Easter Island, at a depth of about 2,228 meters. This decapod crustacean belongs to the Cividae family, a family specifically created to classify it, as it didn't resemble any previously known species. Its appearance is so peculiar that it seems like something out of a legend. It measures up to 15 centimeters with its claws extended, has a white body, and is covered in silk or hairs on its extremities, giving it its popular name due to its resemblance to the mythical Jetty. These silks harbor colonies of bacteria, which could serve as food or as a detoxification system against the toxic minerals present in its habitat. The Jetty crab lives in active volcanic areas, near hydrothermal vents where the temperature and lack of oxygen make it difficult for few species to survive. To feed, it is believed to use a process called chemosynthesis, harnessing the heat and chemical compounds in its surroundings to grow bacteria in its claws. It may also consume small marine animals and organic detritus. Curiously, it has no eyes, only a membrane where they should be, indicating an extreme adaptation to the abyssal darkness. It reproduces oviparously, but how it cares for its eggs and how the larvae develop are still being studied. This animal is not only rare for its appearance but also for its ecological role in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. Number 3, the Bornean ninja slug, is a creature as peculiar as it is fascinating, discovered in 2008 pulgadas the mountainous forests of the island of Borneo, about 1900 meters above sea level. This mollusk belongs to the gastropoda class and is characterized by its green and yellow body, a tail 3 times longer than its head, and a reproductive behavior that has earned it the nickname ninja. During mating, the slug acting as the female, since they are hermaphrodites, launches love darts made of calcium carbonate at the individual assuming the male role. These darts pierce the skin and inject hormones that increase fertility, allowing more eggs to be produced. Under ideal conditions, a single slug can lay up to 500 eggs in shelters dug underground. The yellowish, semi-transparent eggs take about 3 weeks to hatch, depending on the humidity and temperature of the soil. The young are born with a transparent body and no fully formed cell, making them vulnerable in their first days of life. In addition to its unusual reproduction, this slug can wrap its long tail around its body as a protective or resting mechanism. It lives in an environment of big biodiversity, where many species still await discovery. The ninja slug stands out not only for its appearance and behavior, but also for reminding us how extraordinary and little explored life is in the rainforests of Borneo. Number 2, the Pinkended fish, is a marine species as peculiar as it is fascinating. It belongs to the Brachionectidae family and is distinguished by its hand-shaped fins, which it uses to walk along the seafloor instead of swimming like most fish. This animal lives exclusively in the demersal zone of the southern island of Tasmania, Australia, and is considered endemic and endangered. Its body measures between 9.9 and 13.8 centimeters, with a pink coloration that may have reddish spots or darker tones. Its eyes are blue-black, and its medium-sized mouth is surrounded by fleshy lips. The Pinkended fish is a slow and ineffective hunter, so it feeds mainly on marine worms, crustaceans, and small benthic organisms. Its diet is scarce and not very varied, which contributes to its vulnerability. One of its most surprising characteristics is its defense method. It releases toxins through its skin when it feels threatened, as its slowness prevents it from fleeing quickly. This adaptation allows it to survive in an environment where it would be easy prey. Since its discovery in 1802, only 4 specimens have been found, along Hobart Island. Its rarity and the lack of information about its ecology make it a true scientific enigma. This fish not only challenges our ideas about how marine animals move, but also reminds us how little we know about the depths of the ocean. Number 1, the squid worm, is a marine creature discovered in 2007 pulgadas the depths of the Celebesea, between Indonesia and the Philippines. This annelid belongs to the class Polychaeta and is the only known member of its genus. Its appearance is so unusual that it seems taken from a science fiction novel. It measures between 7 and 9 centimeters, has a segmented and gelatinous body, and possesses 25 pairs of videoars, parapodia, that allow it to swim, as well as 10 bellied tentacles that give it a squid-like appearance. It lacks eyes, but has sensory organs in its head that allow it to smell and touch its surroundings. Juveniles are transparent, while adults are dark brown and have a slimy texture. It lives at depths between 2000 and 2900 meters, in a zone known as the demersal zone, where it feeds on marine snow, organic remains such as plankton, dead animals, and fecal matter that fall from the surface. Its reproductive method is still a mystery. There is speculation that it could be sexual, asexual, or hermaphroditic, as occurs in other annelids. So far, no natural predators have been identified, which increases the mystery surrounding its role in the deep sea ecosystem. The discovery of the squid worm has been key to marine biology, as it demonstrates that common species still exist in virtually unexplored areas of the ocean. Its existence suggests that the seafloor holds evolutionary secrets that could redefine what we know about life on Earth. And these are just a few strange and fascinating animals. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Until next time.